Good day, ma'am. I'm Roberto XKLI from 3CRI E2-4, and this is the title of our report, Soil Analysis. And we have two lesson objectives. Number 1, define soil analysis, and number 2 is explain the laboratory test soil samples. My second slide is what is soil. Soil is a material composed of 5 ingredients minerals: soil, organic matter, living organisms, gas, and water. Soil minerals are divided into 3 size classes: clay, silt, and the sand. The percentage of particles in the size class is called soil texture. The mineralogy of soils is diverse. Next is how it's helped in crime investigation. Soil can provide important information to criminal investigations as transfer evidence because many criminal cases take place under circumstances such that soils transfer into a criminal or victim. Soil is a complex mixture with a variety of mineralogical, chemical, biological, and physical properties. My third slide is unique properties of soil. Soils contain minerals, particles, organic matter, water, and air. The combination of these determine the soil's properties: its texture, structures, porosity, chemistry, and color. Soil is made up of different size particles. Sand particles tend to be the biggest. And we have 4 different types of soil. Number 1 is clay soils. Number 2 is loam. 3 is sand, and the last is silt. Next is sediment. Sediment can consist of rocks and minerals, as well as the remains of plants and animals. It can be as small as a grain of sand or as large as a boulder. Sediment moves from one place to another through the process of erosion. Erosion is the removal and transportation of rock or soil. Next is color. Black dark brown soil usually indicates the presence of decaying organic matter, so is generally fertile. Pale brown yellow soil often indicates that organic matter and nutrients are low, and this generally means poor fertility and structure. Pale soils need plenty of organic matter and mulching. Next is soil structure. Soil structure describes the arrangement of solid parts of the soil and of the pore space located between them. It is determined by how individual soil granules clump, bind together, and aggregate, resulting in the arrangement of soil pores between them. My fourth slide is procedure of collection of soil samples. Soil samples can be collected in different ways, depending on where the sample is being collected from. If samples are being collected indoors or from a vehicle, vacuuming is generally used. If the sample is outdoor, it's collected by placing a teaspoon of soil into a plastic, and by treating trace soil patterns as a distinct form a forensic soil evidence, and preserving these patterns via digital photography. At the crime scene, before a body is moved or clothing removed, trace soils analysis could provide police the critical physical evidence of the circumstances befalling the victim. In my last slide is different laboratory tests for soil samples. Microscopic examination of sand particles is an essential technique for forensic soil comparison because the sand fraction is one of the core components of soil, and mineralogical information on sand particles can be used to infer reasonable relationship between questioned soil samples and control ones. Next is heat test. Heat test is by testing the thermal conductivity of soil at 0% and 100% saturation with the portable thermal conductivity meter. It was proven that the thermal conductivity of soil greatly depends on physical properties such as water content. Next is density test. The wet weight of the excavated soil is divided by the volume of the hole to determine the wet density. Dry density is calculated by dividing the weight of the wet soil by its water content. The percent compaction is calculated by dividing the dry density of the soil by the maximum dry density from the protractor test. The last one is qualitative observations. Qualitative observation, use your sense to observe the result. Sight, smell, touch, taste, and hear. Qualitative observation are made with the instruments such as rulers, balance, graduated cylinder, beakers, and thermometers. These results are measurable. Thank you for watching. Keep safe and God bless, ma'am.